Hey everybody, we are back again. Today we are going to create an S3 bucket and use the command line to upload something to our S3 bucket. So without further ado, let's hop right in. I am here in the AWS console. Actually, I always do this, jump ahead. Let me back out to the root of the AWS management console. We'll click on services and under storage, at least for the time being, S3 right here on top. So we'll click that. We'll create a bucket now and see this enter DNS compliant bucket name. What that means is your bucket name has to be unique out of all S3 buckets in the entire world. And that is because they are considered DNS endpoints. So we are going to create a unique bucket name. So we'll just do cloud first computing dash test dash bucket. Oh man, I'm gonna have to type all that out later. So in our region, US East, North Virginia, that's fine. We'll go to options. Versioning, we'll get into that later. Server access logging, we will get into that later. We won't add any tags right now, won't add any object level logging. We will just leave off encryption. We don't need any CloudWatch metrics. This is bare bones, folks. We are bare bones. Set permissions, we are going to block all public access. We will get into when you may not want to block public access in a later video, but for now, we'll just leave this as default. Hit next again, review, basically everything we just went over, and we will create our bucket, and lo and behold, this was a unique name. So here we go. Now we can upload just by using the GUI. We can drag or drop, we can click here, get to a browser, but we are here to use the command line. So let's do so. I've got it here. Now, let's see, I have a folder at the root of C. I think I have it open here. Yep, so let me back up one level. So here at the root of C, I have a folder called Ubuntu, and we just have an Ubuntu ISO, almost 2 gigs. This is what we are going to put in our S3 bucket. So here is the syntax. We're going to do AWS S3, and there's a couple of different commands. The one I'm using today is sync. We'll do c:/Ubuntu, and then here is the format for the S3 bucket. S3:/ Let me come over here and find our bucket name. Oh, there we go, right here. Cloud first computing dash test dash bucket. Oh, sorry, folks, I had a little bourbon tonight. Dash test dash bucket. All right, let's see what that gets us. Invalid argument type. So I know what's going on here. I did this on purpose because the last time I tried to do this professionally, this caught me off guard, or at least tripped me up for a little bit. See this capital S? That will not fly. It has to be a lowercase s, 3:// and then the name of your bucket. So this will upload everything that's in the Ubuntu folder to the root of this test bucket. And there we go. Now, move this over, we'll refresh, and this is actually going pretty quickly. So I'm just going to let this run. I'll edit it in post, make it fly by. All right, we're done. 2 gigs, just like that. So we'll refresh. Here's our Ubuntu, blah, blah, blah. Now, from here, we can do all kind of things, and we'll cover those in other videos. But yeah, very simple. Create an S3 bucket. Bucket name has to be unique globally because it's DNS routable or resolvable. I'm not sure what the verb is, resolvable. I think AWS S3 sync, local location, well, let's say source location, destination location. Now we can invert this. Actually, let's do that right now. Why talk about it when we can do it? So I'm going to delete, and we will come over here, delete that, We'll do C :/ Ubuntu. Okay. Wow. Much faster download. And yeah, you can see the temp file popping up here. So yeah, AWS, every command starts with AWS, S3, sync in our case is what we're using today, source, destination. Simple as that.